meeting will be conducted by the head of our organization, General Cartwright.
It is wonderful to see our meeting graced by the presence of so many evil-looking sinners. Now, who would like to start the ball rolling by giving a testimony?
Hey, give testimony.
I ain't no stool pigeon.
Come, brothers, I know it is difficult, but let one give testimony to the sin that is within his heart.
Harry.
No.
Harry the horse.
Sky Masterson was rolling it for our souls.
I beg your pardon?
Sky Masterson rolled us $1,000 for our souls. That's why we're all here.
I don't think I understand.
General, what he's trying to say is the only reason they all came tonight is because Mr. Masterson won them at a dice game.
How wonderful! This whole meeting is the result of gambling. It shows how good can come from evil. Sergeant Sarah, you've done remarkable work. Thank you. Anybody else?
We will now hear testimony from... Wait. Aha! Brother Nicely Johnson. Brother Nicely Johnson.
Well, it happens to be kind of funny, like a drink. That's it, a drink.
Tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on a boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, "Someone feed me!" But the passengers, they know right from wrong. All the people said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. The devil will drag you under by the sharp bell of your checkered coat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank, and I hollered, "Someone save me!" As the moment I woke up, thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down, you rock the boat. Said to myself, sit down, you rock the boat. The devil will drag you under with a soul so heavy you never float. Sit down, you rock the boat. Sit down, you rock the boat. Sit down, you rock the boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat.
Can testify, Brother Rockin. The only testifying I'll be doing is in court, where I say that I saw you running a crap game in this mission. Are these the people, Miss Sarah?
I have never seen them before in my life.
Sarah's a right broad. Now, officer, if you would excuse me, we'd like to get back to the meeting.
Okay.
Thank you.
I have a confession to make. Me and the boys did have a crap game in your mission, and we're very sorry, ain't we, boys?
Yeah, we're sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm really sorry.
But I did another terrible thing. I made a bet with a certain guy that he could not take a certain dog away with him on trip. This I should have not done, although it did not do any harm as I won the bet.
Won the bet.
Sure, the guy said he took the dog, he didn't take the dog with him.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Gentlemen, we will now see number 244, Follow the Fold.